Hello guys, here we have another HP. It's HP 250, right? Ah shit, sorry guys. It's HP, but it's HP anyway. So when you plug in the charger on this one, we do get a light, charging light. As you can see, we do get a charging light, but it's not turning on. See, we have no fan spin, nothing. As you can see, it's not turning on. Okay, so what do we know? What do we do first when we are repairing a dead PC? Exactly, we do the inspection. Let's do a physical inspection. Let's inspect the board. Nice one, nice one, nice one, Francois. It means you are learning, eh? Nice one. We do a physical inspection. Ma'am, we do a physical inspection. You know, students, when you are learners, when you are young, imagine teachers, they're getting paid for nothing. Imagine you go there to the class the whole day. This bunch of young people, they'll be saying, oh, ooh. Whole day, whole day. What is the date today's class? And they stream saying it's January or it's February. Yeah, that's a good job, eh? That's a nice job.
And then next year you're going to be doing the very same thing.
Tomorrow again you'll be doing exactly the same thing. Okay guys, we have a corrosion here near the power button. I think that's why this machine or this PC is not turning on. Let me show you under the microscope. Okay, this is the power button connector, and we have a corrosion here. See these capacitors here, see the mess here this way. Okay, this is a real mess. Anyway, I think that's why this PC is not turning on. So what do we do? Let's clean, and we need to remove these capacitors, all of them, the three of them. Let's remove them one by one. Oh shit, but now this is bad because they are close to a power button connector. But let's use a foil again. But it's too risky, guys. Let's go ahead anyway. If we bend the connector, it's okay. We'll have to replace it with another one. I don't mind. Do we get a display, Francois?
Still nothing?
Did you plug in the RAM?
Replace everything from now.
Yeah, put the RAM in. I see the lights are coming on.
And the string cable is plugged in?
Yeah. No, I just pulled it out. Oh. But I think it might be the screen. Almost said something spraying.
The light is coming on when you turn.
And I can feel it spinning up there.
The screen?
Yeah. So maybe the screen is good.
The fan is spinning?
Yeah, everything.
Hi, boss Raz.
So it's like it's starting up but nothing on display.
And you can feel the The OTT moving or the hard drive moving.
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
So now I pulled the screen out to put in another machine to see if it fits.
Okay, good. We didn't burn uh, the thing. So now, what do we need? Let's clean. Let's clean the whole mess up, the whole mess.
It's not turning.
I don't even know about that. This one.
Sure, I was saying about the string thing.
Oh.
Anyway, guys, let's go ahead now. Let's try to turn it on. But it's working anyway. I've already tested it. So, and there was a light. See, we took the light right, and let's press the power button. We took the light. We took both lights, meaning the PC. It's working. It's sorted. So yeah,